Hi, we have Multisim project or example. We can see the value responses to the time. So I'm gonna open Multisim. This is uh, and this is similar what we see on the oscilloscope. So firstly, uh, I'm gonna uh, choose from the component to build circuit. I will choose from the component place component. I will choose resistor on the basic. This is resistor. I'll choose like normal resistor. So you choose your resistor rate. So I will pick up this one. So that's okay. I also I'm gonna pick up capacitor, but another hold on. And another resistor. So I have another resistor, and I will pick up capacitors. So, I'm gonna pick up this one. I'm gonna put it here. Oh, sorry for that. And right now I will change the value of resistor. This one I will make it 820, 820, 820 ohm. Accept, and R2 is 390 ohm, 390 ohm, and C1 I will make it 100 nano farad. So 100 and F. And I will pick up the uh, source and so the voltage here, I'm gonna choose the voltage generator to drive this circuit. So I will pick up AC voltage. So from here I'm gonna write here AC voltage to see there is no component in this number. AC power, probably power. Let's try. Mm, AC underscore. Remember this one. Oh, I have to. This is very important. So I have to type here AC voltage. There you go. So AC voltage for this one, and ground, because AC always we recommend to take the ground to the AC. So this is the ground. And what else do we have to do? Let me see. So we will change the voltage. This is voltage, uh, 1 volt. So and 1 volt peak. Uh, this is why we want to change the voltage, and the frequency is 1 kilohertz. So I can change it to 60. And I'm gonna press OK. I think the voltage, I'm gonna put the voltage 10 with 60 hertz, the frequency, and I will connect the resistant 1, and here we have resistant 2 and C. So I'm gonna do this one here, like rotator of flip. Sorry for that. Rotate. Then connect all the line here. Connect the other line here. Connect this one to that one, and the ground is very important. To start the simulation, we can, instead of like press here run, I'm gonna choose here simulate analysis and simulation. I will choose transit because I want to choose the starting time. I'm gonna set to 0. This is initial condition, and the start time, and that one. To see the stabilized result, I'm gonna choose the start time about 0.001, and the end time is 0.003. This one, and also I have to change the output. So I'm gonna here click the output. So I'm gonna move that one here so you can see what the output is. So I'm looking here to see the value of the voltage. So I'm gonna add the output to select the variable. So I'm gonna add all the voltage of V1 and V2 and V3, and then we're gonna select run. I'm gonna press run. So you can see here the graphic window is open. So I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna change something to see the graphic window. I will change the time because we have 60 hertz. So I will click analysis and simulation. I will choose the start time, start at 0. End time, I will choose around like 0.1 millisecond because we have 60 hertz. 60 hertz, that means it is like 60 cycle per 1 second. So that means 6 cycle will be from 0 to 0.01. And then I'm gonna click run to see the result. I will click run and see. If we click run here, we can see these three measurement voltage. The voltage number 1, V1, this is mean V1. So the voltage from this point to the ground. So this is V1. So if I want to see the voltage V1, I'm gonna remove these two, click, and just see just the V1 is the voltage to measure. If I need V2, this is V2. So V2 from this point till the end, till the ground. So this is V2. So I'm gonna click V2 and see the voltage, and with the, because this is AC signal, V3, V3, V at this point, this is the third point. You can see here V3. I will try to zoom in. I can see the zoom in, but yeah, with zoom in you can see the wave for like V3, and this is the what we have to do. This is similar to oscilloscope. I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, because we choose the from 0 second till 0.01 second, which is 100 milliseconds. This is the time that we choose. So from the property, you can choose here the grid property. You can see here all the grid property, what V1, V2, V3. This is the line for the V1, the width. You can make the line like, you can change the line to the light or blue. Left axis about the voltage, and this is the range minimum. You can see here the range is -10 till 10. You can increase the range about V1. I'm sorry, about the voltage. This is the time. You can make the time minimum. I will choose the minimum because we start the time from 0 to 0.1. So I will choose this time, and also right axis. Uh, so I'm gonna like click on this one. I'm gonna say minimum is negative, for example, -4 or -3, and maximum is 3. I will check what we can do, and here we can see the V2 is clear, so clear. And if we want to know the V2 value, we can try to make the minimum is 1 -1, and maximum is 1. So this is kind of like zooming, but with axis. Right now we can see this is -1 and 1. You can see the V3 is so clear. Start from this 0 to 0.1 or 1 milliamp.